So this is just a video on the Roam XL. You guys may have seen me using it. I just wanted to explain exactly what it is, how to set it up, and why I believe that every truck should have one, because it's going to speed up time so much. So this is the box for the Roam XL, and inside you have the receiver, and then you also have the transmitter, so the radio, and then it also comes with a connection. And I know it looks complicated, but it really isn't. It's 3 wires that come straight off. And these wires that come off is just a red, a blue, and a white. And this is how they plug into the controller. So I'll take you up here. You've got your 24 vac, and it goes red, white, and blue. So red and the white go into the 224 vac, and then the blue go into the remote, the REM. And in case you can't remember, just think about it. We live in America. Red, white, and blue. Now what they've done with this install was they actually took that wire and they fed it through, and then on the outside, I'm going to take you round to it, where the PVC pipe goes into the ground with our irrigation wire. This is where the actual port is. So all you have to do whenever you turn up to a job, you just finished laying sod, you're showing the homeowner, you're doing the walkthrough, you literally go outside. You don't even need to go into the garage. You don't need to touch anything in the house. You just open this guy up, just like that, and you'll see the 3 little prongs, and they go straight into the back of this. So I plug this guy in, and you'll hear it make a noise. And that's it, it's now ready to go. I can now fire up any of the zones within a 2-mile radius of the house. So absolutely zero excuse for being able to check anything. You just fire it up. So here's zone 1, should be coming on. Just fired it straight from the remote, and there it goes. No walking back and forth. I'm like, oh, this nozzle needs to be changed out. Clamp it, turn it off with the remote, no walking back and forth, blow it out, ready to rock and roll. And as I said, this is a 2-mile radius, a really simple install. And the way you actually get that connection on the other side set up, all it is just a simple slip to threaded T. And you'll see the inside of this is threaded. So all you have to do is feed your wires through the T and then just tighten it on the other side. If you can install a rain-free sensor, then you can easily install one of these. It's going to speed up a lot of time. I would love to have every single truck with one of these, but there we go.